All right, in this video, I'm going to create the swivel yoke, and it tells us that the dimensions are in inches, and we need to give it a material of cast iron. So I'm going to go start a new file. I'm going to use English standard, create. For my sketch, I'm going to start on this XY plane. So there's probably a lot of ways to do this. I'm going to start off with a rectangle, 2-point center. I'll click the center dot and drag it out. So I'm going to make this 8. Hit the tab, and then that height for that is going to be 1.75. Hit the tab, press enter. And then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this in both directions symmetrically. And that's going to be 3 for a distance of 3. And then I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this front face. I'm just going to draw some triangles here. So I'm going to draw a line from, let's see, here. This is over 2.5. I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to go draw a line from here down. So then this dimension from this corner to here, that's going to be 0.75. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So see if I can start even with that. There we go. So there, I'm going to start at the top, go down over 2.5, back where I started. So yeah, that's 0.75, the height there. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude cut both of these triangles, this one, all the way through like that. I'm going to flip underneath. I'm going to start my sketch on this flat surface here. I'm going to draw a circle from the center dot here. And that's going to be a diameter of 3. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this down, and that's 0.75 distance. Hit OK. I'm going to look on the top now. I'm going to start a sketch on this top face, and I'm going to draw another circle on the center dot. And I'm going to drag this out. This is going to be a diameter of 1.5. And then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude cut this all the way through my parts. Boom. Yeah, we got a nice hole right in the middle. Okay, and then here comes the fun part. So I'm going to start my sketch on one end here. I'm going to project geometry, project this top line here. Yeah, that edge right there. I'm going to now just kind of draw a line from this corner, kind of go up, over. I'm going to make this kind of square here. Go back up, even with that, a little bit over and down. I don't think I need to come back over to that because I've projected that geometry, so I'm going to leave that there. Now I'm going to start dimensioning what I'm given. So I know that this corner and this corner is 2. I know that, what else do I know? I know that from here to here is 1. And I also know that from here to here is 1. That's 1. And then I know from here to here is going to be 0.5. Let's see. I need to center these two. So that's 2. That's 1. So, oh yeah. So here needs to be 0.5 to make those even on both sides. That should be it right there. Okay, so I'm going to finish my sketchy sketch. It's not going to let me dimension this. I know it. Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to finish this sketch. I'm going to extrude this back. That is 1 right there. I'm going to start another sketch, 2D sketch here. I'm going to create an arc with the arc center point. So the center point is going to be the middle of this line where that green dot is. So I'm going to start it here. My arc is going to go from this corner all the way around. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude cut that all the way through. Now what I'm going to do is I don't want to draw this whole thing over again. So I'm going to turn on this YZ plane visibility. So I'm going to use the mirror. I know where it is this time. Last time it took me 5 minutes to find this mirror. It's right here. So I'm going to go to mirror. My feature is going to be this and also the half circle that I created. And then my mirror plane is going to be here. And then I'm just going to hit OK. I'm going to turn off the visibility of the mirror plane. And then it says that our material is cast iron. So I'm going to go up to this list here in the generic side. And I'm going to click on cast iron. It's kind of cool looking. I'm going to, what am I going to do? Go to view. I'm going to go to visual style. Click that. Add some shadows. I'm going to put the photo booth. Didn't really do a whole lot. So I'm just going to save this. File. Save. This is our swivel yoke. Swivel yoke. Yeah. I want to say, and then also from here on out, these parts they're getting kind of challenging. So from this one on out, this is what separates the real from the really real. All right, so let's save this again just in case. All right, so I will see y'all in the next lesson. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hang in there. Peace.